In this video, we've got exchanges and billionaires milking the SHIB army for publicity without doing anything for us. Kraken promised to list the Shiba Inu coin on its exchange if they would be able to get 2,000 likes to the tweet where they posted this promise. They got 17.9 thousand retweets. Tuesday came along, they didn't list it. They posted this tweet which reads, SHIB Army, we've heard you loud and clear. Community is an important part of our considerations for all listings, and you have clearly shown your support. There's more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process. Then they released a statement to Markets Insider, which reads, we simply said, there's more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process, which is very thorough. Community engagement is only one part of that process, Kraken said in an email response to Insider. Kraken is treating the community as if it's an afterthought, when without the community, there's nothing. There's no Shiba Inu coin, there's no Bitcoin. The only reason that these digital assets exist is because a community, us, we're the one that are pumping liquidity into these projects or any other project that Kraken wants to list or publicize. Without us, the meme will stay a meme. The meme coin will stay a meme. With us, with our support, with our backing, with our hard-earned dollars, paper, euro, whatever type of liquidity that you're pumping into the project is the only reason that it exists. So how are they going to treat the community with that? They need to grow up. Kraken needs to grow up and just list the coin right now. So does Robinhood. Rumors, they probably leaked the rumors themselves that Robinhood wanted to list Shiba Inu, just like they listed Dogecoin after it was, quote, a meme coin. These are real digital assets right now. Real forms of reserve currencies and reserve assets that people are using to keep their money safe, to keep their money from inflating, from losing value, okay? What the Federal Reserve pumped 22% of the currency supply within the last 2 years, and people don't want to do this. Look, people are looking for a way out. And look, Shiba Inu, which promises to do that for the people, by the people, they're requesting this and they're toying with the game. Now we've got Elon Musk first citing a poem, right, which Fortune translated as reading, beanstalks are united to boil beans, the beans in the pot cry out, we are born of the same root, why should we incinerate each other with such impatience? Basically, potentially illustrating through this poem the rivalry between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. They come from the same origin. They're both Shiba Inus, right? And why are they trying to take each other out? And then, I'm not sure if he's the person behind this, but I'm pretty sure he is because he's the top dog over in at Tesla. Part of the Shiba token team verified that on the Tesla site, the developers indeed included money sign, dollar sign, SHIB, right? And which may suggest that Tesla in the near future may start to accept Shiba Inu coins for payments of their vehicles. Okay, so nothing serious, nothing confirmed along this respect. And he's got all these other crazy tweets that allude to the Vikings on the moon, etc. It doesn't really matter nonetheless, because if you took a look at the recent buying activity, take a look at this whale right here. Got a balance of, what, 1 trillion Shiba Inu coins, okay? Value of what? $64 million right here. Look, and been buying this up over the past 2 hours actually. Oh, this is the FDIC exchange. They've got what? Yeah, 11 trillion. They've been buying this over the past hours, as a matter of fact, past couple of hours. They've been buying a crazy amount of coins. This big wallet right here was $728,000 plus with 11 trillion Shiba coins. They've been buying that up over the past 11 days. So you got liquidity, and as a result, let's go to the chart. The trading action is forming a symmetrical triangle, a bullish symmetrical triangle, because the trading prior to this pattern led to the all-time high of 8.8 thousandth of a cent on October 27th, 2021. I like to call this a dropped ice cream cone, but it's definitely an ice cream cone I'm picking up for another lick. I'm dusting off the fire ants in the sand used to build the hill on top of which it dropped. Anyway, ever since that all-time high, the pricing has been bouncing off of this 5.8 thousandth of a cent Fibonacci line at 50% for the past week. Look, it teased, it went down, it went below the point of support on the 28th, and then it was well above it on the 29th. Today, it probably dipped the lowest for the past week. Right now, the trading action is above the point of support at 5.9 thousandth of a cent, and this triangle is kind of reaching towards potentially becoming an ascending triangle, which gives you a more bullish sign. This indicates that the supply and demand for this coin is neck to neck right now, and perhaps there is more demand than there is supply right now, because that's why you see it reaching. You see it that if you can take a look again, the line of support is actually increasing. Right here it dropped a bit, so it dropped again. So it may go either way. It may correct itself a little bit more down to the 4,000th of a cent level, and that's where that could give an opportunity for people to buy. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Simply what I am looking for and what I am researching. So, and do not invest more than you're willing to lose on this. But remember, always think about the long term and think about how the platform is behaving. Now, as I said before, for the most part, these support levels have been going up. So right here, it dropped down to this, and then it went up a little higher. Today, it dropped a little bit lower, the lowest for the past week, beneath that 5.8 thousandth of a cent Fibonacci level of 50%, but it's bouncing right up. So it may bounce right up and thus continue on to retest that 100th of a cent resistance level. We got closest to that mark on October 27th at 8.8 thousandth of a cent. Once it crosses that threshold, it potentially breaks out and reaches the highly coveted milestone of Shiba coin of 1 penny. So this is where we can potentially get to these numbers that I'm talking about right here, where the demand does its job, right? It does its job of getting the market cap higher, and it'll take up less dominance of the entire total cryptocurrency market capitalization, where, like I said, there's burning. There's some burning in place. There's been, over the past few days, past one day actually, 69,660,484 coins burned. At this rate, we're burning about 25 billion coins. Not enough to get us down to where we're looking at the 35 cents level. Nonetheless, if the stakeholders at Shiba Inu, the founders, developers, the administrators, they perform something such as a reverse coin split, then again, look, you drop the circulation down, get it to 35 cents. But regardless, look, and these, like I told you before, total cryptocurrency market cap, it's going up regardless. Look at this news. You don't think this thing is going to go up like crazy? Miami mayor is taking his next paycheck in Bitcoin. Burger King, they're going to have a dollar menu for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. And actually the freebie menu, they're giving away a side of Bitcoin, a side of Dogecoin, a side of Ethereum. Whenever you buy something out in Burger King, they're going to have its own menu for cryptocurrency. So you don't think it's going to enjoy growth levels of 600% and better? We already got to 586 from 2020 to 2021. Watch this video right here so you can evaluate all the numbers and economic indicators for you to be able to make the best decisions possible when investing in cryptocurrency or anything else.